Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, I'm your host P Fire, aka P's are good, P's are good, ever P's are good. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around camera, come in shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Should we do it? Let's do it. Alright. Oh. You know your boy loves a jacket, so every time it's a jacket, I get excited. So let me give you the little close-ups. Let me give you the little twirlage and then the RJ to the twirl. Yeah, shall we get into it, beautiful people? Let's get into it. So today, my beautiful people, we have this Lacoste Live thin, shall we call it a, what do they call these jackets? I'm just going to call it a thin jacket. I know there's a sort of name for these type of jackets, but whatever. This is a I think this is a vintage piece because I think I bought this, it's almost 20 years ago, maybe not 20 years ago, definitely at least 15 years ago I copped this jacket, because this was when Box Park Shoreditch first opened up, and they had some boom shops. They had Lacoste Live, they had, I think they had Hype, they had a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, Lacoste Live was my shop. I copped a few things from there. I copped my daughter a few things that she's still got. She can't fit into them now, but she's still got some really, really dope pieces. So yeah, that's what this is, and that's what that was. Okay guys, there's my waist. As you can see, perfect length for the jacket, comes right down there. Really, really nice. Super balanced, you know what I'm saying? And if I zip up, you see the zip goes all the way to the roof of the neck right there. Not the, sorry, the base of the neck, not the roof of the neck. It doesn't even go to the base, it goes just prior to the base. Okay, let's start at the cuff arches, guys. As you can see, you've got these nice cuff arches, split up with a bit of pink, a bit of white, and of course that dark blue right there. You got the two pink bands going across, and then of course you got the blues, and then you got the white little treatment. Equilibrium, saying beautiful things. Couple fingers in, you're good to go. Of course this is elasticated, so you can put your whole hand in if you feel that way inclined. Really, really nice. As you can see, very it's like a nylon piece right there, very thin, very nice, very sexy. Yeah, really nice. Of course you got that pink strip going down on the zip strip, very nice. Let me step back so you can see it. Really nice. Left hand side, right hand side, you've got these two button down popper buttons that fasten the jacket. Put your hand in, left hand side, right hand side. Walking down the street with your hand in your skyrocket, it's perfect for that. It's not perfect for anything else. Don't put your dog in there, don't put your skis, don't put a chalet, it just won't fit. You know what I mean? Just perfect for putting your hands in and walking down the street with them in your skyrocket. Perfect. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you see that alligator right there. Lacoste Live, they had them big alligators, or is it a crocodile? Crocodile, excuse them once if you play. They had them big crocodiles, which was a nice little demarcation. And I know that Lacoste now, they do bigger crocodiles as well, but normally you saw the big crocodile back in days, it was a Lacoste Live piece. So Lacoste Live is kind of like Polo Sport compared to Ralph Lauren, so to speak. You know what I mean? Really nice, embroidered, super lovely. Let me just give you the guts so you can see the innards. Again, this jacket's over 15 years old, I'm sure. There you go, you see that Lacoste Live right there. Different from your normal Lacoste label. Lacoste Live, super dope pieces they had. You got that mesh inside just to give you that breathability, that nice feel, thin mesh little bit right there for breathability. Super dope. You got your literature right there, care label, etc. Really guys, that is it. It's just a really beautiful piece. It's one of my favorite pieces. It's not just this year or the last few years I've started buying jackets. Jackets has always been a thing for me, man. Yeah, jackets, crepes and jeans, you know, that was always the thing, you get me? So yeah, just showing you a piece from back the day. Yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. Have you got anything Lacoste? Have you got anything Lacoste Live? Yeah, let me know, guys. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host P Fire, aka P is for PQ, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I said that already. This has been Once We Are Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. My jacket's flying around. I gotta go pick it, guys. Stay dope, stay fly. In a bit, peace.